Hello everyone, my name is Anjali from Exhibition Showcase. Today I am here at MET NHTS Exhibition and Conference. This exhibition is held on 4th of September to 6th of September only on Bombay Exhibition Centre, NESCO. This exhibition will provide a business for a perfect platform for heat treat industry. Will be a 3-day showcase and launches of the new products on heat treatment, materials, equipments. So do visit and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
I'm Dr. A.K. Tiwari. I'm the co-chairman of this whole organization and of this show, which is international conference and exhibition on material engineering and technology with heat treat show, and also the materials for the medical devices, which is the first time it is introduced in our conference and our exhibition section. See, this event is a very well established event. This is the 5th edition of the Material Engineering and Technology and 15th edition of the Heat Treat Show. Of course, the first edition of the MMD. The key highlights of it because we are focusing on the development of the materials, and nobody does this program in whole of the country other than us. And we have got the focus for the materials for the defense, materials for the electric vehicles and infrastructures. So these are the key highlights. That's why if you could see that every person or every anybody who is having the defense idea, they are there to encourage and to participate in this. It is a mixed profile, the development of the materials and the machinery, then testing, and then heat treatment consumers, as well as the machinery manufacturers, furnace manufacturers. Then the DRDO has got a very good pavilion, CSIR has got a very big pavilion. Then JSW is our title sponsor, they have got a very good pavilion here. L&T is there, Reliance is there, Mahindra is there, and Bharat Forge is there. To whomever you can think of it that who could be the industry name, they all are there, including the Seco Barwick and all, like everything. Yeah. See, this is when we started, it was a very small show. We have started around 1400 square meter. Today we are crossing around 7000 square meter. So if you look at our previous edition, this has already got more than double of the last edition, and we definitely aim to have it 10,000 square meter in the next edition. That is our figure. I mean, message is only that this is a one kind of the exhibition which never they can witness. They should come, see the exhibition. They should be the part of the deliberations, which are the very important, future prospects for as far as the science and technology is concerned. So everybody should be the part of it. And they should everybody should be benefited out of that.
Okay, my name is Bharat and I'm the director here in Nash Group. We are manufacturing spot welding equipment for metro rail industry. So basically what this equipment you see this is called as welding guns. Now this is specifically for welding of a train coach. These welding guns are for automotive, welding of car bodies, SUV bodies, and we erect complete body shops for metro as well as automotive. So whatever equipment you see here is all related to welding of car bodies and metro trains. Basically to reach out to people in India so that they are aware that we are doing these guns in India now. Because earlier these guns were not made in India, especially for the metro trains, but we are doing this in India. Just request them to promote Make in India.
Yeah, hi, I'm Amit Javade. I look after Inductotherm's Konzag product portfolio. Konzag is our brand for vacuum applications. We manufacture and supply various vacuum and control atmosphere equipment such as vacuum induction melting, electroslag remelting, vacuum arc remelting, vacuum heat treatment, vacuum aluminum brazing furnaces for Indian subcontinent as well as globally. So Konzag is basically a global leader having more than 50% market share in all the vacuum and control atmosphere melting furnaces. That is one of our biggest achievement. And we are part of Inductotherm Group, which is the leader in induction melting and heating technologies in India as well as in the world. It's certainly in a lot of ways, in both downstream as well as upstream. We get to see and meet a lot of our prospects as well as customers. Number one. Number two, we also get to meet and greet our existing as well as potential vendors and suppliers. And we also get to see a lot of new technologies, because everybody who is showcasing their products here, they try to put forth their best and latest technologies. So that's a very good platform to shake hands with who's who of the industry, as well as get to know about latest technologies in various fields. From Inductotherm Group per se, what we call ourselves is global yet local. So we really live by that motto. From Inductotherm, we assure you of the globally based technologies as well as local, and we serve you for today and for decades to come. We consider our visitors and prospects not as customers but partners in our journey today.
Yeah, myself Rajendra Kishanchand Dogra. I am the director of the company Swastik Furnaces Private Limited. We are into the design and manufacture of industrial furnaces. We are based in Mumbai, and we have set up in Mumbai as well as in Ghaziabad as well. So we have 3 plants in total, and our annual turnover is approx around 75 crores. Yeah, exhibition, we are doing the businesses from last 10 years in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Chennai, as well as in Hyderabad and Düsseldorf in Germany, as well as in Malaysia and China. We have done the exhibitions so far. So exhibitions are the base where we can present ourselves, our products, and it will help in keeping our presence in the market, showing our presence in the market. They should visit to the exhibitions or participate in the exhibitions, so where you can get innovative ideas as well as the new technologies that coming into the market. So this will help them in saving their furnaces as well the other equipments and having a good quality products overall.